Here it is, my birthday cake in the making. Wow, you're icing it so fast. You're an expert cake icer. My husband's making me my birthday cake. How'd you learn how to ice a cake like this?
From watching your videos.
Are you gonna do the decoration on the side?
Yeah.
All right, let's see it. Nice save. I should have put more chocolate in the whipped cream. It's very light. Oh, there it is. This is your interview cake. If I would hire you or not, you'd have to come in and show me how you make a cake, and I'd decide if I would hire you or not by your techniques.
Damn it. I'm gonna get icing all over my hands.
Well, that's the cost of doing business when you're a pastry chef.
I want to just throw it on.
And then it'll go all over the place. Gently pressing, see? There you go. Uh-oh, he's going rogue. I think I should melt some chocolate so you can write my name on there.
Okay.
Oh, that's because they don't stick to sprinkles. That's why you gotta pick that one off and eat it. Do a big splotch. Bigger. There you go. See, it looks so much better now. He didn't like the sprinkles because he got crazy and started throwing them all over the place. So this is a good way to cover up your sprinkle chaos. This is looking good. So this is his first time ever even baking a cake. Like, you've never even baked a box cake?
Nope.
Oh my God. I can't even believe it. Oh, look how good. See? I would hire you. You have room for improvement.
Oh, thank God.
You're teachable. Good thing I'm not paying you by the hour. I'd go out of business. Happy? Well, you have room for a 51 still. Wow, this is impressive. Are you impressed with yourself?
Yes.
Put a 51 on there, because I am 51, you know. Go ahead. Okay. Here's my cake. Look at this cake. Watch it slip right off. Okay. How was the making of this cake? He was sweating when he was writing on the cake, literally sweating through his shirt.
It was easy as could be.
It came out really good. You did a good job.
And it was because of your direction
Oh.
and your videos.
Thank you for making my birthday cake.
Happy birthday.
All right, I have to make a wish, and then I'm gonna cut it and do a picture, and then we're gonna eat it.
Let's do it.
I stuffed them full of pancakes this morning for my birthday, and now we're gonna eat cake. All right.